If you want to save an Outlook email into OneDrive so you can keep it backed up, organize it, or access it later from any device, this video is going to make it really easy. In just a few steps, I'll show you the simplest way to turn an email into a PDF and upload it to OneDrive for safe storage. This is perfect for important messages, receipts, confirmations, work emails, or anything you want to keep in one place. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Outlook Web in your browser. You can do this from any modern browser on your computer, and it's the easiest way to save an email as a file. Once Outlook loads, find the email you want to save and open it. Make sure it's the exact message you want to keep, because the next step will convert that email into a PDF file. Now look at the top of the email window and click the three dots, or the More Actions menu. This is where Outlook keeps extra tools for handling your message. From the menu, click Print. Don't worry, you're not actually printing to paper here. We're using the print function to create a PDF version of the email, which is the best format for saving it into OneDrive. When the print window appears, look for the printer option and choose Save as PDF. On some computers, this may already be selected, but if not, simply change it to Save as PDF. This tells your browser or system to create a downloadable PDF file instead of sending the email to a physical printer. Once that is selected, click Save. Your computer will then ask where you want to store the file. Choose a folder that you can easily find, like Downloads or Desktop, and save the PDF. Give it a clear name if you want, especially if you're saving a lot of emails. A good file name can help you stay organized later when you upload it to OneDrive. Now that the email has been saved as a PDF on your PC, open Microsoft OneDrive in a new tab. Sign in with the Microsoft account where you want to store the file. Once you're inside OneDrive, go to My Files. This is the main storage area where your documents, PDFs, and uploads are kept. Next, click Upload, then choose Files. A file picker will open on your computer. Find the PDF email you just saved, select it, and click Open or Upload, depending on your device. OneDrive will begin uploading the file to your cloud storage. After a few moments, the PDF should appear in your My Files folder, and that's it. Your Outlook email is now stored in OneDrive as a file, which means you can access it later, share it if needed, or keep it safely backed up in the cloud. This method is especially useful if you want to archive important emails without leaving them stuck in your inbox. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other emails you need to keep. Just open the message, print it to PDF, save the file, and upload it to OneDrive. It's a simple workflow, but it's incredibly helpful for staying organized. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.